Teka.
Pag lumalapit yung bago, tumataas. Ay, bumababa.
Atmospheric pressure. Kapag mataas, malabang tumataas din ang atmospheric
Ito pa lang mataas. Ecology connection. The Philippines is blessed with many gold deposits. Small scale meaning of gold is the using mercury. Mercury also called quicksilver. Both environmental hazard. It is used for mining gold, but its careless disposal can contaminate the food chain. Wait, tayo naman kayo.
Pag ikaw nagbibideo, wala kami sinasabi ha.
Kailan, kailan ng video sa inyo?